Oh, malalaki na naman yung aking mga mais. Pwede na namang dumukot pag uwi. Siya, bilisan yung lumaki. Bilisan yung magsilaki. Oh, para. Okay. Let's go. Bilisan yung magsilaki. Aking mga mais. Ayan. Mga ano yan. After few months. Ano naman yan na yan. Hihihi. Pwede nang, ay, mamumunga na sila. Dapat pala yung mga yan, huwag nang hintayin mahinog sila. Kailangan pala, yung bata-bata, yung bagong bunga, pwedeng kumuha. Ayan. Oopsie daisy. Oh, sabi na magandang dekorasyon ng ano coconut. Oh. Ilagay sa corner ng bahay. Diba? Hi, Kai. Don't ignore it. So just ignore this thing. They will not do you harm. So look.
I'm scared of what? No, I'm scared of
Look at that.
I'm super scared of wasps.
Just ignore it. What?
Wasp.
Ay, nako, anak. If you keep on pauna yung anak mong takot na takot sa maliit na nabubuyog. Ay. Ala, sige kumpet ka. What? No more. It gone too far. We go out there to the horse.
I'm scared of wasps.
They don't do any harm, anak ko. Nay, if you pick them, if you pick and poke, if you poke them, of course they're going to poke you back. And they will beat you, and then they will dig your skin like that. But if you ignore them, they just go away. And they just ignore you.
Yeah, but they're aggressive.
No, nobody's aggressive. They become aggressive if... Tell me.
If I poke them or hit them.
Yeah, exactly. If you poke them and pick them, they will come to pack you and to pick is sting you. Yeah. They will pick a poke and pack and pick.
Yeah.
Oh, look. The chicken. Is it like that? Is it like that, the chicken? Pack, 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 pack. Oh, see? The response to me. Pak 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 pak.
Do it.
Pak 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 pak. Pak 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 pak. See? There's a rooster. Pak 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 pak. No, don't scare him. He's guarding his wife. Guarding. He took. There's a lot of chicken over there. They're eating the corn.
Bird corn.
Yeah. Nay! How do the horse? What is the horse sound?
No, I cannot make a horse.
Nay! When you are a baby, you like to make a sound.
No, I cannot make them.
Really? Why? Not anymore? Why? Hi guys, say. Ali, vlog. Vlog.
Hello.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What's your name?
My name is Kyle.
What is the name of your channel?
Kyle Tisoy and Mama.
Kyle Tisoy and Mama. Yes, please subscribe.
Vlogs. Kyle Tisoy and Mama vlogs.
Yeah, please subscribe and like my channel.
Please subscribe and like my channel.
Yes. And then what else? Oh, that's the sound.
Rooster.
Yes.
Rooster.
Oh, there's a pumpkin over there. There's a bicycle. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Ali, Kyle! Ang dami nilang bubuyog. Oh. Gustong-gusto nila itong lavender. Ang tataba nila, oh. Ang dami nila. Salad in the garden. So cute. Tapos, wild mint. Very nice. Hala, Mary Jane yata ito. Herbs. Herbs no, nasa wild lang sila. Ito, lemongrass. Ang bango-bango niya. The fig tree. Look at that. Sayang nagango na ni fig tree. Yan.
Kapan man nagsigpaten guys. Inimbag lang ko.
Nagmula at tibok bukel. Nagsabong nagbunga, bangludat agadiwara. Hala, pokein ka no. Ay siya.